warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Shahzad from class 504. Today I want to explain about adaptation of tree in different habitat. Adaptation is the adjustment of an organism, and all of the organisms in this world are adapt. For plant, the adaptation can be observed on its leaf, root and stem. Plant can be classified into four types, which is mesophyte, heterophyte, halophyte and xerophyte. Halophyte is plant that live in swampy habitat at the river mouth, which is the meeting of fresh water and seawater. The swampy is rich of salt. Example of halophyte is mangrove tree. Other than that, mesophyte is plant that live in habitat that are not too wet nor not too dry. Most of plant is mesophyte. Example of mesophyte is mango tree and rubber tree. Otherwise, hydrophyte is plant that live in aquatic habitat. Example of the plant is lotus. Moreover, xerophyte is plant that live in dry and hot place with a minimum presence of water, such as desert. Example of the plant is cactus and date palm. Adaptive feature of halophyte is halophyte are plant that can live in high concentration of salt and low oxygen content. Benefit of halophyte leaf are succulent leaf can store water, and all leaf can store salt but fall off when the concentration of salt is too high. Also that the benefit of halophyte root is the root system of mangrove tree also produce hundreds of breathing roots that grow vertically upward above the surface of the soil, called pneumatophorus. There are many pores on this root which are called lenticles to enable the exchange of gases with the atmosphere. Furthermore, hydrophyte is referred to plants that are in wet habitat, whether by floating water surface or sinking in water. Therefore, most hydrophytes have fibrous roots that provide a large surface area and trap air bubble to enable the hydrophyte to be more stable and lighter. Adaptation that are commonly seen on hydrophyte is floating leaf, thin waterproof waxy cuticle, stomata located on upper surface of the leaves, reduced root system and reduced vein in the leaves. Lastly, xerophytes lives in desert that receive very little of rainfall. The root of xerophyte grow widely and can penetrate deep into the soil to absorb water and mineral salt. The absorbed water is stored in the root, stem and leaf. Besides, the stem of the cactus carries out photosynthesis. The cactus has many leaves and thick waxy cuticle on its stem and leaves. This feature reduces the total surface area exposed to the sun, thus reducing water loss. The presence of thorns can also help the cactus to get water supply by collecting dew. Besides, the thorn can also prevent animals eat the plant. The stomata in the cactus are embedded to reduce water evaporation from the leaves. That's all for now. Bye. Assalamualaikum.